Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Study Maths. How are you all? I hope you all will be in the best state of Iman and health. Now I am going to explain you question number 3, exercise 1A, page number 13, and the book is D1. You can see the question 3. Find each of the following by using prime factorization. Question number A is square root 1764. You have to find out the square root. Which method? By using the prime factorization method. First of all, I will explain you that what is square root. Square root. Square root is a factor of a number that when multiplied by itself gives the original number. Right? What is square root? When we multiply the factor of any number by itself, it gives the original number. In reply, it gives the original number. For example, if we multiply 4 by 4. 4 is a factor of 16. 16 is the original number. When you multiply 4 by itself, 4 fours are 16. So that the square root of 16. So 16 ka square root. What is the square root of 16? It is 4. The symbol or sign to represent a square root is this. This is the symbol we use when we are writing the square root, when we are finding the square root of any number. We use this symbol. Here you can see that the square root of 16 is 4 because 4 fours are 16. So 4 is the square root of 16. Here I am explaining you with this figure. If we have to find out the square root of 16, first we find out the factor of 16 and multiply it by with the same number. You can see here 4 square. The power of 4 is square. It is the small 2. You can see here. How we read this number? We read 4 square. It means 4 multiplied by 4. 4 fours are 16. So the square number of 4 is 16. The square number of 4 is 16. And when we move back from the same number, we have to find out the square root. This is the square of 16. Square of 4 is 16. And the square root of 16 is 4. Right? I hope you understand very well. Okay, now start question number A, page number 13, exercise 1A, and the question number 3. What is the question? Find each of the following by using prime factorization. Here I solve the question. We write the square root of 1764. Here I am applying the prime factorization method. As we learned in our previous class that how we find out the prime factors, the prime numbers. We make this scale and finding out the prime factors of the whole number 1764. How we check? How do we start? First we check the last number. Right? The unit place. Here the unit place is even number. Even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Here we have the number 4. It means we can easily divide it by 2. First we start with the 2 numbers. Because why we are not starting with the single digit? Because it is smaller than 2. So we cannot divide it completely. We start with the 2 figure, the 2 digits. Now here we read the table and divide 17. 2 8s are 16. One number remaining. we add with this 6. Again we got 16. 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. Now here we completely divide. Now the next turn, the next step, we have to divide 882. Again we check the last digit. It is all again 2, the even number. So we can divide easily by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. Now we check the last digit. Here we have 1. It is the even number. Now according to the divisibility rule, we cannot divide it by 2. Why? Because the last number is the even number, the odd number, right? So according to the divisibility rule, we check, can we divide 441 completely by 3? We add all the 3 digits. 4 plus 4 plus 1. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 is completely divided by 3. It means we can completely divide this number by 3. 3 ones are 3. One number is remaining. We add with this 4. 3 fours are 12. Now here we have 2 number remaining. We add with this 1. Number become 21. And 3 sevens are 21. 147. The next step. Again we check, can we divide completely by 3? According to the rule, 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Yes, we can divide it by 12. How? Because 3 fours are 12, right? 3 fours are 12. 2 number remaining, we add with this 7. 3 nines are 27. Now 49. 9 is the even number? No, 9 is the odd number. It means we cannot divide it by 4, 6, 8. 49. We only divide it by 7. 7 sevens are 49 and 7 ones are 7. Here the all numbers, these all are the factor of this number. Now what is the process? How are we finding out the answer? We write that the square root of 1764 is, write all the factors, count. Where we have 2 times 2, we write 2 into 2. 2 times 3, we write again here 3 into 3. 2 times 7, here we write 2 times 7. Okay, now make a pair. 2, we can write 2 square. 3 square into 7, we write 7 square. We cancel square with the square, and the remaining number 2, 3, 7. We multiply these 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. It means 42 is the square root of 1764. This is your answer. Okay, now guys, you can see I proved my answer, that really it is the correct answer, that 42 is the square root of 1764. Here we prove our answer. We write the square root of 1764 is 42. How we prove? We multiply 42 by itself. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. In the next step, we leave this space, start in the tens place. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. Now we add to find the final answer. 4, 16, 6 plus 1 is 7 and 1 here. Now you can see here that we got the same number. When we multiply 42 by itself, 42, we got the same answer. It means our calculation of our answer is correct. Here we prove that 42 is the perfect square root of 1764. I hope you all enjoy. You all understood very well How to find out the square root of any number?